awarding a prize known as PREMI-INNOVA to the best paper about covering topics about R&D and innovation. And then the Department of Economics is awarding a prize for the best paper presented in this workshop, and I have both prizes here. So this is not only a piece of paper, very nice and very well printed, but it is also a prize of €600 each.
Is there a prize for the best keynote?
We haven't thought about that, but it's a good idea, but not for this edition because we have to announce in advance. So perhaps for next year we could include that, but sorry, Andrés, but not this year, unfortunately. So I would like to ask Mercedes Teruel, which is the responsible of the head of the chair of the promotion for firm innovation, who is going to award this prize that, as I said, I have here. So I know the winner, and Mercedes knows the winner, and Maria also knows the winner, and also we are going to announce who the winner will be.
So we have decided that the winner will be Siavash Mohades.
Your speech.
Yeah, I'm too shy for giving public speeches, even presenting is always a bit stressful. But thank you very much for the conference. I really enjoyed being in Reus. To be honest, it's really overwhelming, but I really enjoyed everyone's papers. I think the quality of the workshop is so high that I will take it as an honor, to be honest. Thank you very much.
Last but not least, we have the best paper prize of the workshop, which is awarded by the Department of Economics. So Maria is the head of the department, and she is going to tell us who the winner is.
The best paper prize for the WIPE 2024 goes to Marianna Magagnoli.
Thanks everyone and to you for organizing. And it's always a very nice environment. It's the second time I come, so and I enjoy it every time. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now the workshop comes to the end, and Cory Vilella, who is the deputy chief of the ECO-SOS Research Center, will joining with Maria Lob, the head of the department. They will close this event, and let's close that till the next year. Thank you.
Okay, so now it's time to close. To be honest, I did nothing to organize this workshop, so merits are not mine. Merits are of Josep Maria Arauzo, who is the chair of the research center, Cory Vilella, who is the secretariat, also Eulalia, who organizes all the social events, Lourdes, who is now having the support, Magda, who is there, and also Vero, who was yesterday, and I think today in the morning. So this is a very important event that people in the department organize every year, and we are very proud of this success. So thank you for coming, and I wish you a safe train home. So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Maria. I don't want to be repeated, but I also want to give thanks to all the people who have contributed to do that. This is a teamwork that Josep Maria made it only would be absolutely impossible to do it. So, as a representative of the ECO-SOS, I want to thank, first of all, Andrés Carvajal for coming, for doing this long trip. We thanks a lot for that and for your nice talk. And I also want to thank to the scientific committee who did the hard work, reading the papers and preparing all the presentations. And also the support from the doctorate school, or the program of the doctorate in this faculty. And incredible work of all the secretaries, Eulalia, Lourdes, Vero, and Magna. Also, I want to thank to Chechu and Alexis for helping us with the technical issues. They did a good job. And last but not least, I want to thank to all of you, all the PhD students who did, all the participants, you did the most important part of the workshop. Without you, that would be absolutely impossible to do. You are the most important of the team. And I hope that you had enjoyed a lot. And thanks again, and good luck with your works, that I'm sure that then you will succeed a lot. Thank you very much to all of you.